For more than 2 centuries, machining has been the foundation of industrial innovation, powering progress and shaping modern manufacturing. From high-performance engines and medical devices to robotics and renewable energy systems, machining provides the precision to turn ideas into reality and drive industrial success.
It's our ability to accurately and consistently change the shape of metal that's given us the ability to mass produce various products. The process has changed, or rather evolved, just now adding for digitalization, automation, and incorporating AI. But machining still drives innovation within the industrial space. Without machining, we would not have engines, railways, or any form of mechanization that has transformed complete economies.
Society really relies on machining in every aspect of every part of our lives, be it from the phone, the alarm that wakes us up in the morning, to the car that gets us to work, even in ways that we don't see firsthand. Without manufacturing and machining, there truly would be a standstill to all of our daily lives.
As the world moves toward digital and service-driven economies, fewer young people are entering the trades that built them. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, the average age of a machinist today is 47, and nearly 25% of skilled tradespeople are expected to retire within the next decade.
We're seeing fewer people in skilled trades due to a lack of exposure, whether that be from their parents, their high schools pushing for more of a college degree in anything but skilled trades. We've went from almost a flooded market 30 years ago, 20 years ago, to where companies don't have people to hire.
CNC technology has revolutionized our manufacturing environment. Unfortunately, there has been a disconnect between CNC as well as conventional or manual machining. And one of the big reasons for this disconnect is education. Most of the training emphasizes CNC, rather focusing on mass production than the conventional element, which is more tailored to craft or project-specific production within your smaller job shops. It's not a situation where CNC and conventional machining should compete with each other. They actually complement each other.
While CNC technology has revolutionized manufacturing, bringing precision, repeatability, and scalability to complex production, a disconnect between conventional machining and digital systems fails to acknowledge that both are critical to the success of modern manufacturing.
New machining innovations really are allowing us to produce parts faster with higher quality and higher reliability. On top of that, we're able to give a smoother user interface to everyday machining, allowing for people to understand the process more and be more hands-on involved in things.
Having a machinist that is trained on conventional machines as well as CNC machines just provides a more well-rounded machinist that has the ability to work in a wider variety of shops, from your mass production environments to job-specific shops as well.
Conventional machining remains an integral part of the industry, providing flexibility, adaptability, and practical solutions that complement CNC systems and ensure the industry can meet a wide range of production needs.
A lot of kids like to have the hands-on interaction, and through the apprenticeships, through mentorships, they can see that there's many options out there for them in our industry. And through the mentorship as well, you're able to pass down knowledge from mentor to trainee as well, which gives them a lot of first-hand and real-world experience.
Knuth is helping out by getting involvement with the colleges, the high schools, and giving them an opportunity to see what manual machining is, what CNC machining is, and the environment that it creates.
Real-world experiences and exposure to the field enables the next generation of students to explore the trade, develop practical skills, and gain a real understanding of the opportunities a career in this field offers.
A real-world exposure is going to help our students out. I always say you don't know what you don't know. So getting them involved with industry, showing them the possibilities of what's out there. It's not just machining, there's so much more involved with it.
The human and machine needs to work together to ensure accuracy and repeatability, and therefore we emphasize the constant training and evolution of our training cycles within our technicians, engineers, and sales staff. So as technology evolves, we need to ensure that our training and skill set of our engineers, our technicians, and our sales representatives evolve together in unison with the technology.
As the world moves closer toward automation and digitalization, it is vital to ensure that these advancements do not come at the cost of skilled trades, but rather empower them.
We have a wonderful combination of conventional and also CNC machinery moving forward, keeping us on pace with the advancing technologies, but also keeping us rooted in the conventional past and history of our industry.
Ultimately, the next phase of technological advancement is not only going to be about the machines, it's going to be the integration of various forms of technology and integrating that with the human element to build bigger, faster, and stronger products than what have been envisaged thus far.
Bridging generations of expertise through continuity and collaboration ensures a future where technology, education, and craftsmanship grow hand in hand.